I'm Jennifer Beauchamp, the Marketing Director at Laiterie Chalifou. Our largest brand here is Maison Riviera, under which we manufacture and distribute across Canada a wide variety of yogurt, plant-based, goat milk products, creams, and cheeses. The grocers were particularly excited about this product because it aligns with their missions to want to reduce food waste. So we're doing a big part here ourselves with bringing a product into market that 30% of the product is already upcycled ingredients. So we do our part. So 50% of our fruit is upcycled, and we also use upcycled dairy co-products that we manufacture here at our facility. We've gotten a lot of great feedback, not only for the concept, but the fact that it tastes great, it's nutritious, so it aligns really with what consumers are looking for in their product, and we're very excited to see this product roll out across Canada. The less we're putting into waste, the best corporate citizens we can be, the better we can be for our company, for our consumers, for our environment, and this is really core to our mission here at Maison Riviera. So I'll introduce my colleague Sébastien Mongeon, who's our technical director here at Maison Riviera, to talk a bit more about the exciting investments we've made with DMS Marquage Codage.
Here at the factory, we transform over 45 million liters of milk per year. And with those, all of that milk, we make around 200 different SKU. So that means we really need to track all of those products with a great system of coding. Sometimes that we need equipment that's really specific to make sure we can keep that quality even with all of those different products. What we do is we always try to find new innovation, suppliers that can provide those support to make sure we can implement them, and we also try to use local suppliers. The equipment we had was not robust enough to handle all of those 200 SKUs and products we needed to treat. We heard about DMS Marquage Codage, so they have this really neat academy where we can go and see all of those equipment they can offer. We went there with samples we brought from the factory, and we just tried them, and they were showing us some options, and the final choice for us was the Squid Ink CoPilot Max LT. That was fitting our needs, and we got the right quality of impression and also the right speed we needed.
At DMS Marquage Codage, before installing any solutions, we help our customers by testing in our academy. These tests allow us to find the best marking technology. We offer live demonstration in our showrooms. Customers can see different technology working, compare results, and ask our experts any questions.
So what we do is we need to code a barcode on the shipping container. We print the barcode, the date, and the lot number on this container. With the discussion we had with DMS Codage Marquage, we understood that the long pro means you can project ink on a greater distance. I think it's around 12 millimeters, which is higher than what's usually in the market.
The benefit of being able to throw that nearly half an inch is in a place where the substrate or the contact point is uneven. A lumber yard, a cardboard manufacturing facility, a dairy, a bakery, places where things are moving along a line quickly and sometimes will bump into a print head. This allows us that almost 1/2 inch of separation with still perfectly clear resolution.
For us, that innovation is good because of two things. First, just how the box is made and how the machine is made. We needed that extra space between the printer head and the box, but we still need the quality to be equal, even if it's far away of it. And the second thing is we want to make sure we protect the printing head, and having this bigger distance was allowing us to make sure the box won't hit the head or maybe damage it. So that was really a good thing for us.
The long throw technology is compatible with the special inks like MWF ink, mineral oil free. The MOF ink is a more eco-friendly option that meets strict environmental standards. We can print at a distance with high resolution without losing quality.
We're achieving great clarity, up to 360 dpi, or dots per inch. That's essential for us because we need to be able to scan a barcode, and it's not a big space that we have available, so that was perfect for us. So here we are at the tray factor station where we put the tubs into the trays. We have here the controller where we have stored all the recipes for the product. We have the squid inkjet head where we put the code, we put the barcode, the date, the lot number, and the best before date. So here we have the tray we just coded. We got the format, the best before date, this barcode, and the SKU number. Fantastic. So let's take a look at the code we're achieving. So we have a large character inkjet printer printing on a secondary packaging that rivals the quality of a small character inkjet on a primary packaging.
Our product has up to 360 dpi resolution and up to 400 feet per minute. That means that your barcode, your logo are going to be excellent quality and maintain your line's required speed.
What really sold us on this equipment was the Orion software. It's really easy to use and we can get an estimate of the ink consumption. That's a really good tool. The installation went smoothly. We had a great support from the MS Marquage Codage. They were here with us during all the startup and they even stayed up late to make sure everything was all right.
We always provide follow-up after installation, including training on how to use the system. We give all our clients maintenance recommendation and after-sale service to ensure long-term performance.
This product really integrated well with all of our production and product management, traceability. So we're really happy about this acquisition. When it comes to coding and tracking, we're going to continue our partnership with the MS Marquage Codage and Squid Ink.
So in 5 years, expect us to continue to be the innovators, the disruptors. We're the smaller players who are able to move faster, move quicker, and we've really challenged our teams to work with partners like DMS Marquage Codage and Squid Ink, who are great partners to push us to continue to innovate and bring great products into the marketplace.
So I would like to thank Laiterie, Chalifou, Maison Riviera for their great support of our brand. We are thrilled they're having such success with our brand. If you haven't tried the upcycled yogurt drink, get it today. I tried it, it's delicious, it's good for me, and it's good for the environment. They've got a winner there.